Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure SuperVPN and your OS are up to date, because mismatched versions often break handshakes. Next, test the network by toggling Wi-Fi and mobile data so you can isolate ISP issues. Once done, disable any other VPNs, proxies, or local firewalls to avoid conflicts. You should also confirm your username, password, and chosen server before proceeding, since wrong credentials or blocked server endpoints are common early failure points. Now reconfigure the connection. First, clear SuperVPN cache or reinstall to remove corrupt settings that prevent connections. Then change protocols. Try OpenVPN TCP, then UDP or ICAV2 or WireGuard when offered, because different protocols traverse networks differently. Make sure DNS is set manually to a reliable resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, and confirm IP4 versus IP6 settings match your network. Finally, pick a nearby server and test again. Protocol and DNS tweaks often restore connectivity. Finish by testing multiple servers and watching SuperVPN's connection log for specific error codes. Those codes show whether the issue is auth, routing, or TLS. Once you connect, enable the kill switch and confirm split tunneling rules to protect traffic. If problems persist, record the exact error, time, and steps you tried, then contact support. Provide logs and timestamps so they can reproduce the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: try the app on a different device or network to isolate device versus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.